Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you're watching Just Devi Marie. So before I tell you what I'm gonna be doing today, then again, you already know based on the title. I'm just gonna remind you to subscribe if you've enjoyed my videos so far. Definitely hit the thumbs up button, alright, if you like the video, and comment and let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you enjoyed this video at all. Let me know in the comments. Also, please remember to check out my previous videos and also share this video with your friends and your family if you found it inspirational, educational, edifying in any way. Please remember to share it with your friends and fam. Alright, so today I will be trying something that I've never tried before. Starting a YouTube channel, I am trying a lot of things that usually I wouldn't do. One of which is stretching my hair with heat. So if you want to see how I stretch my hair with heat, keep watching. So I'm gonna be stretching my hair with heat today, as I mentioned in the intro. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers do this. Like, my hair has a lot of shrinkage, as most of us as naturals do. Our hair shrinks a lot. I feel like shrinkage is a sign that your hair is healthy, you know, that it has good elasticity and stuff like that. But I usually don't really pay that much mind. I do stretch a little bit, but I don't stretch my hair all the way out. Like, I don't. I usually stretch using other methods such as the banding method, or putting it in a pineapple, as you see here. That usually helps to stretch it a little bit, but I feel like I want to actually get a good idea or a better idea of how my length looks without stretching it too much to where there's no more definition or there's no more curl. So that's what I want to see today. I want to see if this actually works. Yeah, pretty excited about that. So I'm not starting off on freshly washed or freshly done hair any at all. This is actually day 6 hair that I have right here. And if you want to see how I got the results of this, let me just take it down first of all for you to see. Ooh. Yeah, if you want to see how I actually got this wash and go, because this is day 6, as I said, you want to actually see, I have a video on it already. It's supposed to be already posted on my channel by the time you're watching this, so you guys can check that out. I'll put it up in the cards and I'll probably link it at the end so you guys can watch and see how I got these results. My hair is still pretty moisturized. If you've been watching me for some time, you would know that the crown of my head always gets a little more frizzy. It's a little more drier. The texture is a little bit more looser, so you will see like some frizz in those areas. So yeah, it's not that it's dry, it just gets frizzy there, like at the front and in the crown. But for the most part, I think my hair looks pretty good for day 6 hair. I was pretty impressed with these wash and go results. But as I said, when you can check that out, the video is not about that this week, okay? Let me just turn and let you see what it looks like actually. So it's still pretty defined, I would say, and I say it is pretty moisturized, especially like under here. The curls are pretty much intact, and I have worn my hair out for the 6 days that I've had it in. So I wanted to see if I could try to stretch it some more, because it is already kind of stretched a little bit, but I want to see how much further it can actually go. So I'm gonna be using a blow dryer. The one that I have here is Conair Ion Shine. Like, I've had this blow dryer since I've been relaxed. The last time I got a relaxer, just for point of information, was in 2015, September 2015. That was the last time I got a relaxer. So I've been natural about 3 years, because this is what, June 2020, almost 3 years. September 2020 will make 3 years since I've been completely natural. But yeah, I think I said that wrong though. I think, yeah, the last time I got a relaxer was 2015, but I cut my hair September 2017. Yeah, I was getting a little confused right there. Yes, I was getting a little confused right there. So yeah, the last time I actually relaxed my hair was 2015, but I did cut off all my relaxed hair in 2017. So yeah, got it right. I was a little bit confused, but I got it now. Alright, so as I said, I'll be using the Conair Iron Shine. It says 1875, I think that's what it says on there. I have it long time, and some of the writing I believe has actually rubbed off. So yeah, so this is what I'll be using today. And yeah, hopefully this work and hopefully my hair look good and hopefully it don't look frizzier than it look now. So yeah, so I do have a middle part. So what I think I'll be starting to do is just kind of section out like one section. As you know, you know that I love to work in sections, so I'll just probably just catch up the front part. I don't know if this is a small enough section. I don't know, but yeah, putting away one section. It's over. Yes, I do good. Oof. And I'm planning to wash my hair very soon, so I figured why not just try it. Yeah, why not just try it? Why may I struggle though? If I catch up, look at here. Alright, so this is the section I have out here. And of course, I'm not gonna want to the ear for ear the blowing because I'm sure it's like loud and annoying. So I'm gonna put music while I'm blowing. But yeah, here we go. So yeah, I forgot to mention that I think I'll be just blowing it on warm, high and warm. I don't know, not super hot, so in the middle. So warm and high, I think that's what I'll be doing. So hopefully that makes sense, but I don't know. So this is the first section. I don't know if that did anything. This is the section here. Not sure if that did anything. And this is the other side. Do you guys see a difference? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I try to hold the ends because the videos that I've watched, the people don't really blow until the ends of their hair, if you understand what I'm saying. So I try to cover my ends because I still want it to still have like some definition and still look like a wash and go. But I always see them, oh, I feel like I missed some sections. I always see them just hold here and just kind of focus it more on the roots. I feel like I would blow it one more time to just see how much more stretched it can get. So let's see. Right, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That look good? And this is what the next side when I blow it look. This is how it look. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Alright, I'm gonna do the next side. I'm probably just gonna speed through this. Guys, so I've done most of my hair, majority of my hair. So this is what it looks like. This is each side. I believe it is actually being stretched. I'm trying to figure out if I am going to stretch the front. I don't know. Like, this is how the front look. Hopefully me I separate this properly. And this will kind of give you an idea too as to like how the difference. So this is the front and this is what I've stretched already. So this is the front. This is the front of my hair that's not stretched, and this is what I've stretched already. So Tell me if you guys see a difference. Comment down below and let me know if you guys see a difference. So yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking to stretch the front. I don't know. Yeah, probably, right? That makes sense. Yeah, so mega stretch the front. Even though the front is like frizzy and whatever, mega stretch the front. This is what my hair looks like after I've completely stretched it. I did go and smooth the section around my part so that it framed my face. I did that off camera with some wet line gel. So this is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. I think it makes my hair look way fuller. Like, I feel like a lot of people, because I like my hair defined and I don't stretch it like 100%, they always believe that my hair is not thick. But it is thick, but I know how to use the products to get my hair to weigh down so that it lasts a lot longer. I feel like this is something that I could do, like, you know, especially when like my hair looks like how it did in the first clip, and I just wash it out usually, but I feel like it gives it a whole new look. Like, my hair looks pretty full and it actually looks like a lot, like it can't go on, like it actually looks nice, and I actually like it. So just to recap, this was the first time that I was doing this, and I think it turned out wonderfully. I used that this Conair Iron Shine blow dryer. This is what I used to get the results. I used it on warm but high, if that makes sense, warm heat, but I used it on high, like high force, and then I just basically covered my ends and kind of put some tension on it too, and just basically dried, or not dried, but blew out my roots for the most part. And that never really took me that time. I threw me a film, like it probably took me long, but yeah, in no time it was finished. And I mean, I like it. I feel like this looks like really dope, like for sure. Like, even I was a little bit concerned about blowing the front, but it still look good. Like, wanna think, like me I feel it, wanna think, I like it. Anyway guys, enough of me rambling. I want to thank you for watching another video. Please remember to check out my previous videos. As I said, I'm gonna leave the one where I got this wash and go, I'm gonna leave it in the cards, and I'm also gonna leave it at the end of this video, so you can go ahead and watch it if you want to see how I got these results. And also remember to like this video, remember to subscribe, remember to share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.